now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around. Every now and then I get a...
We're going to take our time picking apart Triple H like it's 2009. Menace Radio is back for one time only to take out the game. I just want to see what we're working with here. Triple H taking a lot of damage. Can he go out of this match right now? 2 count, kicks out of 2. Gotta watch out for this Flying Buster. I'm ready for it. We counter it. We now have our signature. Right now, when he goes to the 5-knuckle shuffle, that is not good. He's going for a pin. I mean, we're kicking out of this. That was actually not as easy as I thought it was going to be to kick out. Coming with Super A. Need to counter it. Huge counter. That is what we needed badly. It actually didn't take away his finisher. I don't know if they're going to Super A. He was going for something in the corner. I am just happy to counter it. Can we hit on middle rope DDT? Come on, Owen.
Ako may butter.
Get him
Mamaya.
There it is.
Ano?
I don't think
Kasi
we can
pag-butter.
counter at this point.
Saglit
I
lang.
think we should be good. We hit the middle
Pagulungin ko yun sa may butter mamaya. Pupulahin ko lang to, hindi agad pupula yun eh.
Get up. Damn, boy!
Itong drawing mga friends. Yung ganyan. Yung may puwet. Ha? Sino nag-drawing na ito? Marky. Uy, siya yung nag-drawing yan. That's great. Anong klaseng ano yan? Ballerina yata yan. Nag-i-split? Burger. Ha? What? By the way, dito lang tayo. Kasama nga pala natin dito si Aris, mga friends. Ito siya, nag-drawing din siya ng Amogus. Hello, Arends. Kamusta ka? So, dito na lang tayo, mga friend. Tingnan natin mga drawing nila. Oh my goodness! Ang lulupit! Kita mo yan? Ang ganda ng drawing nila! Oh! Panis! Oh! Tingnan mo drawing nila. Ang galing! Oh! Tara, maglagay din tayo ng drawing natin dito. Dito natin lagay, ano kaya pwede ilagay dito? Amogus! Pin!
Sumasayaw siya, nakalagay ditong dancing, yun na yun. I would like to buy this shake, drinks, the Grimace. Oh no! An hour later, she died. So yun na yun, uminom siya ng Grimace shake and then she died. That is so sad, my friend. Ang tawa to guys.
Nice. Ito naman, sumasayaw siya. Nakalagay dito, dancing, yun na yun.
I would like to buy this shake, drinks, the Grimace. Oh no! An hour later, she died. So yun na yun, uminom siya ng Grimace shake and then she died. That is so sad, my friend.
Ang lawak ng taon na to, guys.